Hi guys, it's me hajra.vadhariya and I'm here to create a tutorial on this look right here. This is a gorgeous blue smoky eye, so stunning and so gorgeous. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. Hope you guys will enjoy it. So guys, this is me bare face, and to refresh and give a boost to my skin, I'm gonna start with all the Fixie from Elysian Beauty. This is an amazing mist and setting spray. So I'm just gonna pour this spray this on my face. Then starting with the brows first, till the spray sets, we'll complete the brows. I'm using Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade number 4. So with the pencil, I first shape my brows and I will try to make them look as balanced and as similar as I can. So shaping the brows first with the pencil. So now I'm taking browsings in number 4.5, and with the spoolie and the cream from the browsing, I am gonna fill in the color in my brows. So shaping with the pencil first and then filling in the color. Later I will go back with the pencil. You will see me, but right now I'm shaping them and filling them nicely and making them balanced. Now I will be going back with the pencil, as I said, to give final touches and finishing to the shape, because while filling in, you might kind of ruin the shape, and after filling also you realize that where do you need to still work on. So I'm just taking my time and doing that. You can see this. So this is me completing the brows, and then we'll be moving forward, but I'm trying my best to balance my brows. Now to prime my skin, I'm using Elysian Beauty Ka Makeup Primer Glow Serum. If you have pores, make sure that you use a pore filling primer along with it. So yeah, next I'm using HD foundation from Elysian Beauty in the shade Natural. I absolutely love this foundation. This is so good, like it is so bomb. And I'm gonna be using this brush. This is a buffing brush. This is also really good for powders, creams, everything. I'm gonna use this to do my foundation off camera, and I will be back. Next I'm using the Fit Me concealer in 15 and 20 to conceal and highlight at the same time, and will be using Beautify Bamna's loose powder. I will be applying the loose powder. I just let it be there off camera, थोड़ा सा set हो जाए, and then you can see I'm removing the excess. So I kind of like to push it in because of the weathers. I do not like to use compact powders. Loose powders are the best. Next, using the Subculture palette from Anastasia along with the Anastasia dual-sided brush, picking these 3 shades. You can, if you're a beginner, go one by one with each of these shades. I am kind of just taking all 3 shades together, so I'm gonna make my crease and my transition at the same time. Please go one by one if you're a beginner, otherwise you might you might ruin the entire thing. So I'm just putting the color, blending it at the same time, and I have to create a definition with the dark color in the crease. So I'm going to be doing that, taking the dark color on the smudging side, and I'm going to be creating more definition and depth in the crease, because this is a smoky eye. So you got to make your transition crease, then you got to give depth, then you got to do your lid area, and then you got to do your outer corners. So this is the Francation palette from Dose of Colors. I'm using this beautiful blue shade, but see what happens. It just dropped and everything was a mess. Like, it was such a bad day for me for filming, and then this happened. Whatsoever, this is a gorgeous shade. I really feel sad that I lost it, but trust me, the shades in this palette is gorgeous, but the formula of the mattes and shimmer is really bad. Like, it literally sucked. You can see it's all the dirt all over. I was completely glittery, and literally I was scratching myself throughout the night later. So taking this blue shade, whatever was left in the pan, I am completing the look with this. You can see how gorgeous and pretty this looks, but trust me, I was filled with glitter because of the the breakage. And also, whenever I use the shimmer from this palette, I just see a hell lot of fallout, but then this time it was humongous. and I kind of ruined my base and then abaya. I had to remove that later on as well. So whatsoever, you can see I'm using my fingers to put the color first and to give finishing. Look at this beautiful color, boom. So to give more of the finishing, I'm using the Beautify by Amna this packing smudging brush. This is so good with glitters and shimmers. So I'm gonna give finishing to this color. You can see how gorgeous this is, so gorgeous. So you can see I'm all filled with glitter, looking so glittery to death, so please excuse me. Taking a tiny blending brush, and I'm taking this brown color from the same palette, and I am gonna be blending that in the crease and the outer corner to make sure that there is no harsh line from the blue shade and everything looks blended. The blue shade and the crease colors looks blended. Now taking this dark browny mauvey brown color on the smudging side of the Anastasia dual brush, and I'm gonna do my outer corners along with my lower lash line. I went on really fast after that because my mood was really destroyed. It was such a bad day for filming. I tried my best, and then this happened, and then I had to take off my abaya. Everything was all ruined, so I kind of go really quick with everything. I will talk about the palette by the end of the video. I really wanted to talk about it. So you can see I'm just taking the dark color in the outer corner V, I would say outer V, and lower lash line on the smudging side, and I'm taking my time to make it look nice. I really like how the look turned out, even though it was a bad day, but the look turned out pretty cool. So next you can see I'm just blending. Next I'm taking Beautify by Amna tiny blending brush again, and I'm gonna be taking this beautiful light peachy orange, and I'm gonna be blending it along with the dark brown shade that we did on the lower lash line and a little bit on the outer corner as well. Later I'm gonna be using this pencil brush from Beautify by Amna premium brush set. I'm gonna use this beautiful shade from the Subculture palette to put that in my inner corners. I don't know why, I just wanted a little pop in the inner corner, and it looked really nice. I know it's different blue and green family, but I don't know why, I was just in the mood to do that. This is one of my favorite colors, and I really like how it looked. It really looked good, though they are different families. Then I'm taking the shade Cube, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with that. Next, putting on my lashes and then some mascara, because I forgot to do that before lashes. I had to do that after that. So the shade that broke is called Moment. Now talking about the palette, looks so pretty. The palette packaging is really good. It was expensive AF, plus the shades look so beautiful. The matte colors and the shimmers look really beautiful, but the matte aren't that buttery. They are not up to the mark with the formula. And the shimmers are also really like, the fallout is insane, and they are not comfortable on my eyes for some reason. And trust me, I was filled with glitters and I was scratching myself later that night. Trust me, I really got redness on my hands and my neck area where I was filled with glitters, and it was really ew. I don't know, maybe the quality of these glitter and shimmers is not that good, and the formula sucks. Just the palette looks beautiful, the shade range and selection is really good, the shade swatch is really good, but I do not like the formula. This palette really sucks for me. And yeah, that is what I just slow down this segment of applying mascara so that I could talk about the palette. I literally hate this palette. Like, it really suck. So that is it. After applying the mascara, I am done. And with this look, I'm just setting my entire thing with All Day Fixie from Elysium, and that is it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys find it helpful. Please hit like and comment down below all of your thoughts about this, and if you have any further requests. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.